Hey guys, what's up? And today I'll be giving a few tips and tricks for 2x2 Ortega. So the first thing is how do you build a very efficient color. So let's take an example. So I'll just take a hard color. Okay, let's tell yellow. So yellow is pretty hard. You got two yellow pieces at the back. So what I would do here is I would hold it like that. Do an F move to start off, and then do a double flick, and then insert. And then you get your PBL and all that. So the other thing is predicting where your bar will be. So for example, let's take green. I know that I'm not going to get any bar. So now this is this case. So you can easily figure out the PBL. So let's say you're doing the layer. Let's take this one. I would get a bar over here, and that's right. Do this, and now I know that I have a bar over here after doing. So I look and I find that the bar is here. Now I wouldn't have to look for where the other, if there's another bar or no bar. I could just directly do a U2 to match them and then do PBL. So yeah. So again, about building efficient colors, I got this trick from Chris Olson. So let me just show you what it is. Let's say you have one color on the bottom like this, okay, like an L shape, and then you have one the same color facing on the top. So when it's facing on the top, instead of probably doing something like that, which is super long, you could do something like this. So you get this color to the top to match it up, which forms a bar, and do U prime to bring it under this empty slot and do that. And then you've got your color. So that's a really cool trick which you should use whenever you get that case. So that's it for the tips. Now let's get to walkthrough because I don't have many tips. It's mainly just practice and also learn PBLs from different angles. So what I mean by that is you should be able to do this PBL when the bar is at the back, and you should be able to do this PBL when this is at the back. That's a pretty long alg. So yeah, you have to learn all those PBLs from different angles. And now let's just get into walkthrough solves. These scrambles will be on top of the screen somewhere over here, I guess. So yeah, let's start. That's a scramble. So right off the bat, I see that we have this big bar, So I would probably be, okay, I'm thinking, should I go for the layer? The layer is kind of hard. So what I would do for getting this color is, I see these two pieces. So I would do this to match them up, and then do an R2 and insert them there, and then get into OLL. Oh wait, I did the wrong OLL. Yeah, that's the OLL. And then predict where the bar is. I forgot to tell that. And then do your PBL. So yeah, now let's get on to the next scramble. So what I see is this orange bar and this yellow bar. I'm thinking between both of them, and I feel like orange looks better. So guys, you've got to be able to plan your entire color during inspection. I forgot to tell that, but you have to be able to do that so that you could direct, like when you're solving the color, you could look at the top to see which OLL you get. So I'll be solving orange since it's easier, and my bar is gonna form. Let me just tell you, it takes. I'm really bad in this. Okay, so I'm gonna form at the back. So I would form it by doing this, matching it up, doing that, and bringing it down. And yes, the bar is formed at the back, and that's an OLL skip. And then do the PBL. if you're wondering which cube I'm using, this is a Moyu Vapor, link in the description from Cube Lalo. But anyways, getting into this, I see this huge green L, so I'm probably going to go for green. Let's do classic insert, OLL, and PBL. And again, like I said, you want to look only at the OLL, and if you can predict the OL, that's even better. So you could directly get into your PBL state. So yeah. So for this, what I see is these two pieces and this bar. So, and even this one looks pretty good, but I think I would go for yellow here. Actually, any of them should be fine because both are equally easy. So what I would do is do this, push it out, match the bar, then do a U prime and then bring it back down, and then do this OLL and get into PBL. So the reason why my recognition of PBLs is so bad right now is because I have my camera in front of me and I'm solving by looking through the camera. So yeah. So anyways, I hope you found these walkthrough solves and tips helpful for you, and I am going to a competition soon and I'll be doing a vlog during that competition, so make sure to watch that. It's probably gonna, I think the competition's after like 3 weeks. So yeah, and that's it guys, I'll see you next time, bye.